So, Wagwan Jae Says, this is your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright guys, so I'm basically giving you guys an opportunity to get a drive-through of Morant Bay, St. Thomas before the storm, so you guys can actually get to see how the place really stay. So remember guys, like, subscribe, comment and share guys. Remember, you're a part of the Jae Says family once you hit the subscription button and turn on all notification bells. So this one is not going to be a lot of talking guys, but you're going to get an opportunity to just get a drive through of what really is happening in Morant Bay.
Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture and history. Jae Says 87.6, it's the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's legacy. The sunshine become alive, St. Thomas shines whether day or night. From the cool hills to the ocean's view, come visit our parish, we welcome you. St. Thomas, come and see Jamaica's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow, bring your friends, let them know. Taste the food, every dish done.
One thing you guys can see for yourself is that right now the rain that was falling earlier has stopped for the most part. There's a lot of sunshine right now, but my recommendation is that nobody gets fooled by the sunshine that is shining right now, because old people always say when you think of peace and safety, a sudden destruction, and the weather reports are all collectively saying that we are going to be getting hit by this tropical storm / hurricane, because some reports say that by the time it actually hits us, it is going to be a hurricane comparable to the 1988 Hurricane Gilbert. And there are some persons who still have a vivid memory of Gilbert in the back of their minds.
Come join the cheer, St. Thomas welcomes everyone here. In our parish there's a place for you. Let's share our joy in all we do.
So guys, we are now in the center of Morant Bay. So I'm just gonna take my time guys and just give you guys a drive through so you guys can really see what's going on, alright? Whole heap of people are doing shopping and, you know, preparation, last minute purchases and so on and so forth.
St. Thomas shines whether day or night. From the cool hills to the ocean's view, come visit our parish, we welcome you. St. Thomas, come and see Jamaica's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow, bring your friends, let them know. Taste the food, every dish done right. Come join the party, reggae music's bright. Culture rich, we stand so tall. Let's come together, one and all. St. Thomas, come and see Jamaica's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow, bring your friends, let them know. Taste the food, every dish done right. Come join the party, reggae music's bright. Culture rich, we stand so tall. Let's come together, one and all.
You can see guys, there are several different reactions right now. You look at some people, you can see tension, like nervousness, and then some persons are just light-hearted and just going through the motions guys. So, you know, different reactions to the pending storm, but either way guys, we know for certain that it's coming. My recommendation is that if you can take the opportunity now to get prepared, prepare yourselves. So don't worry about being ready, make sure that you're being prepared. Alright?
Let it grow. Bring your friends. Let them know. So don't just watch, come join and cheer. St. Thomas welcomes everyone here. In our parish, there's a place for you. Let's share our joy in all we do.
Alright guys, we are now looking on at Paul Square, home of the old Morant Bay courthouse, and also the site of the Morant Bay Rebellion.
Jamaica's hard for you and me. Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. St. Thomas, come see. Jamaica's hard for you and me. Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. In the sunshine, we come alive. St. Thomas shines whether day or night.
Thank you for being a part of the Jae Says 876 family. You're always wonderful support. Thank you for the new subscribers who have joined the family. You know, a lot of love and respect to you. You could have chosen anybody else's channel, but you decided to become a part of the Jae Says family. So just keep sticking and staying, guys. Updates will be coming as the developments occur. We'll be giving you as much information as I can possibly give, and you know, possibly if there is power, then I'll try to see if we can even go live later on today or tomorrow, so you guys can actually see what is going on in the most easterly portions of St. Thomas during this tropical storm / hurricane Melissa. Alright guys, so if you have not yet hit the subscription button, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button, guys, and turn on all notification bell so that you will be informed and you will be a part of the Jae Says family as we proceed. Alright guys, so stay safe out there. Please avoid flooded areas. Remember, safety comes first, and not everybody in Jamaica actually swims. So remember, crocodile and all of them things. So just be careful, guys. Alright? Stay tuned for the next one, guys. And you'll be getting that soon. So alright? Love and blessings. And until next time, Jae Says, and we are out of here.